Welcome to Createch's e-learning platform, Learnew.org. If you want to grow up in the ladder of your career in the mechanical engineering industry, you need to be thorough in this skill set. GD&T, new product development, fixture design, CAM programming, 7QC tool, inspection gauge design, 3D modeling and finite element analysis. All these skills are required for you to work in various mechanical industries core departments. If you have the skill set of GD&T, then you have the job openings as well as career growth in the departments like R&D, design, production engineering or the manufacturing engineering department, production department, vendor development or the supply chain department, quality as well as sales and marketing. The course outcome of the GD&T is, once you have completed the GD&T course with us, you can identify the correct GD&T symbols and their applications. You can read and interpret the engineering drawings that is used worldwide in a best possible way, preparing error-free design and manufacturing drawings on your own with the proper application of GD&T usage. And you can determine the best possible measurement method or the inspection method for the GD&T symbols. Once you are very thorough in this, I can assure you that you can strongly read the drawing in the intended way in which it is created across the globe. At the end of the course, once you have successfully completed it, certificate from Createch services will be given to you. So you can enroll for our GD&T course through the Learnew.org website, or you can scan this barcode and you can register. Thank you.